फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू आर इन सेल्स दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू बिकॉज सेल में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है कम्युनिकेशन. इफ़ यू कैनॉट कम्युनिकेट यू कैनॉट सेल. Good communication skills are essential for successful selling. Communication is the exchange and flow of information. दोस्तों, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि सिर्फ कम्युनिकेट करना ही ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट यू नीड टू बी असर्टिव, कॉन्फिडेंट वाइल कम्युनिकेटिंग. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएं या अग्रेसिव हो जाएं. सो आज हम बात करेंगे डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन की. सो लेट अस सी द 3 स्टेप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. फर्स्ट, communication has 3 steps. First step is communicator, which represent the thoughts, concept, idea, information or feeling. Then second step is the medium in which we convey, that is language, word or gestures. Third step of communication is the receiver, who interprets words plus context. Friends, now we come to the components of the communication. Communication is equal to content plus intent plus context. Content is the words, sentences, the language we use in our communication. And intent is our objective or motive behind the communication. It's what we want to convey exactly. हम उसको convey करना क्या चाहते हैं. And the context is the way of communication, like our tone, volume, body language, gesture, and emotions, etc. Friends, most important aspects of communication is that communication is complete only if it produces the desired results, and the responsibility of the communication lies with the communicator. यानी कि communication तभी सक्सेसफुल है अगर हम उसके जो रिजल्ट हम चाहते हैं वो आते हैं, और परिणाम जो है कम्युनिकेशन का वो लाना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कम्युनिकेटर की जो कन्वे कर रहा है. सो दोस्तों, अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. Communication can be of different style. First is aggressive, in which the communicator dominate others by invading their space, thrusting one's own opinion forcibly on the others. The other style of communication is assertive, expressing one's views courteously and openly without forcing others. The third style of communication is submissive, expressing one's real view, thoughts for fear of offending someone and thereby allowing others to invade own space. So these are the behavior which they represent in different style of communication. Then style of communication verbally is in the aggressive communication, uses of abusive language may be there, shouting, threatening. In assertive communication, verbal will be confident, voice, courteous, uses of empathetic words. But in third, that is submissive, it will be exactly opposite of aggressive, that is shaky, timid, uneven voice, fumbling with words, looking for excuses, looking for supportive words from others. Now we come to the what is assertive communication. It's our ability to communicate our thoughts, views and opinion clearly without unduly hurting the feelings of other and with a clear objective in the mind. Why we should be assertive? Because being assertive reduces the stress. If we are assertive, we have a better chance of influencing people in the negotiations. Assertive brings more objective in solving problems. It will help to gather more information, help to uncover more options, and assertive way is a positive way of expressing no. What are the benefits of assertive behavior? Friends, we are in the business of selling. Assertive behavior with the customer leads to principal selling. A win-win relationship is developed with the customer. A customer go back satisfied and a long-term relationship is also developed. Now we come to the 4 pillars of assertiveness. So to be assertive, what are the things required? There are 4 strong pillars of assertive communication. First is self-esteem, in which you can think that I can and I know my strengths. Second is knowledge. If you have knowledge and confidence and prepared thoroughly and you know your option when in trouble, then you will be definitely assertive. Third pillar is communication. If you think yes, I can make people understand, then it will be better for the assertive communication. Fourth one is empathy. This is very important. While communicating, you must understand the other people's views and feelings. So empathy is understanding other person's view and feeling. So now coming to how you can be assertive. To be assertive, you should know the fact relating to the situation with detail. You should have data in right place. If you have data with you, you will be able to take decision assertively. Say it firmly in a calm voice, looking at the eyes of the other person. Be empathetic. Anticipate what can be probable reactions to what you have said. Now, prepare yourself to avoid possible aggressive or submissive reactions. Have faith in your own capability. Now, I present to you style of communication in a tabular form where all characteristics of submissive, assertive, and aggressive behavior are given. So, in case of submissive, things may be like this: don't know my own rights, I can be dominated, too accommodating, give cold fish handshakes, don't stand up for my rights, avoid conflicts, people take advantage of me, trouble in saying no. Then, in case of assertive, you will be firm, direct, honest, respect rights of others, recognize the importance of having my needs and rights respected, confident, realize I have choices, effective communicator, can express my needs, make good eye contact, speak with firm voice. Now coming to the aggressive, which will be exactly opposite to the submissive. In aggressive, person will be loud, bossy, pushy, dominating, intimidating, violate others' rights using power, position, and language, must get my ways, react instantly, don't care where, when I blast someone, can be abusive. सो फ्रेंड्स, आपने देखा कि आपको अपनी कम्युनिकेशन में असर्टिव होना चाहिए टू गेट द गुड रिजल्ट्स. आप अपने बिहेवियर में, अपनी कम्युनिकेशन में कितने असर्टिव हैं, ये जानने के लिए कि मैं क्वेश्चनेयर लेके आऊँगा आपके लिए, जिसके जवाब देकर आप जान सकते हैं, आप जज कर सकते हैं कि हाउ असर्टिव आर यू. सो कीप ट्रैक. आई विल बी गिविंग दैट इन आई बटन आल्सो. टिल देन, ओके, बाय.